Today we will talk about security roles. So, what does security roles means? It defines how different users, such as salespeople, access the different types of records. Okay. So, to control access to data, you can modify the existing security roles, or you can create new security roles, or change which security roles are assigned to each user. So, each user can have multiple security roles. So I will share my screen. So where you can see what are all the security roles assigned to Dynamics 365 CRM means go to advanced settings. So in that go to security and go to security roles. So these are the security roles in Dynamic 365 CRM. So you have 121 out of box security roles. If you want to create new security role for your app means you have to click new. So then you have to give the name and you can assign the access levels to each record. I will tell you what is the access level and what are the privileges in security roles. Okay, so what are the access level means here you can see that the key area. Okay, so that is the organization, parent child business unit, user, none selected are all privileges. Okay, sorry, access level. So what are the privileges mean? Create, read, write, delete, append to, assign, share. These are all the privileges. Okay, so these are all the access level. These are all the privileges. So if you want to create new security role means you have to click new and you have to um, assign the privileges to each entity. Okay, so otherwise if you want to copy some security roles means here you have to click the more access and copy which role you have to copy. Okay, so for example I have to copy the role that is database search role means just click that and just click copy role. Okay, this will copy the database search role. Okay, so then you can customize that new role according to your requirement. Okay, so so you can see what are the security roles assigned to us. So in an environment, what are the security roles uh, we have? So that for that you have to go to security, then users. So then click full access user. That is you will see your name. So okay, in this. So you have clicked this. So in that you have to click manage roles. So I will have basic user as my security role and system administrator and system customizer. These are all the roles assigned to me. Okay, so this is the way you have to check which what are the security roles assigned to you. Okay, so the system administrator and system customization are the main roles for doing customization and configurations in Dynamics 365 CRM. Okay, so let's talk about access level. So go to security and security roles. In that, so that system administrator role, you cannot uh, modify the role. All other roles you can uh, modify according to your requirement. Okay, so here these are all the access level. The first one is organization or global. The access level gives a user access to all records in the organization. Okay, that is organization access level or global access level. The parent child business unit or or otherwise it is called as deep access level. So this access level gives a user access to a record in the user's business unit. Business unit is nothing but it's like a team, okay, higher team and lower team, like that. So I will give you the link. Please go through the link and understand. If you have any doubts, please ping us. Okay. So this is the this access level gives a user access to records in the user's BU, and all BUs subordinate to the user's BU. So the user who have deep access have both local and basic access. This user can see the records of all the business units records, child business unit records, and user record also. That's the meaning. Okay. So business unit means this access level gives a user access to records in the user's BU. Okay. So user have local access. So it is otherwise called local access. Okay, so user who have local access automatically have the basic access to. What is the basic access means? That is the that is otherwise called the user access. So this access level gives a user access to the record that the user owns. Okay, so none means no access is allowed here. So these are all the access levels in security roles. So what are the privileges? Create, read, write, delete, append to, assign, share. So what is create? It is required to make a new record. So that new record, whether the access level is organization or the thing, you have to customize according your requirement. Okay. So if I want to so the activity is here, you can see the symbol. So the activity entity is the user have user access level. If you want to change to organization level means just you have to click. If it is half means that is business unit. If it is like triangle shape means that is 3 by 4 of the circle is filled means that is the parent child unit, business unit. So if you give full access means that access level is a global one, and everyone can create create the activity record. Okay, that's the meaning. So for create means you are it required to make a new record. Read is required to open a record. Write is required to make changes on a record. So delete means required to permanently remove a record. So what is append means? Append is required to associate current record with another record. So what is append to means? It is required to associate a current with record with the current record. Then assign is you have to assign some ownerships to other records, and share means you have uh, transfer the permissions. It will share the permissions with another users. Okay, these are all the access levels. Okay, so just to go through the link, which I will share the link. So if you have any doubts, please ping us. Okay.
Here, append and append to use for lookup fields.
Assigning means it is required to give ownership of a record to another user. Share means it required to give access a record to another user. Okay. So here there are the two privileges. One is user is, you can see, one is the team privileges, and another one is here user access level and team privileges. So user privileges means user is granted these privileges directly when a security role is assigned to a user. This is the default settings for new security roles. So what is team privileges means? User is granted this privileges as a member of a team. So for team members do not have the user privileges of their own, they can create only the certain records with the team as the owner, or they have access to records owned by the teams. Okay. So these are about the security roles. Okay. So up to this, anyone have any doubt? So here the hierarchy security is of two types. One is the manager hierarchy, and another one is a position hierarchy. So manager hierarchy means direct reporting structure, just like us. Okay. So position hierarchy means the user can tagged only with the one position in the given hierarchy. A user may have multiple positions. Okay. So I have one question. Can anyone can answer? If the business process flow is not reflected in the UI means what you will do?
You have to go to the Power Apps. There we have
Sitemap.
to enable the PPF.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Good.
Yeah, good, Ditra.
Okay. So another question. If I want to um, execute my business process flow as first one, so what you have to do? So if assume if there are two business process flows for one entity, okay, so I have to execute my business process flow as the first one.
Order the business process flow in the order hierarchy in this.
Okay, good version. Okay. Okay. So just today we will tell how can we create the web resources this that thing. So I will explain those things on tomorrow session. Okay. So Tamal, can you create one web resources?
Yes, Selvi. Hi, team.
Okay.
So, creating a web resource, we have to move to the solution. And in the web resource, add new and give a name for it. Like these are all the types of web resource we can have. Like web page, CSS, JavaScript. JavaScript is a JavaScript. XML, PNG, images like PNG, JPG, GIF, and all, and the vector format. So just you can add a JavaScript. So to the text editor, I add a simple JavaScript function. This is my function. Then save and publish. Have you guys know some HTML? Have you guys? Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Have you guys know HTML? Oh no, I don't know HTML. Okay,
I mean, I know a little bit of that.
okay. So this is a simple web page and it works on a browser. So
If you don't know HTML means just to go through the W3 schools. So it will have some basic tags like that. Just to go through it.
oh, okay, Selvi, sure.
Okay. So we don't need any much complex customization in HTML related things. So just go through the tags and what is what like that.
Oh, okay. Then I embed it in the browser. This is a normal text, and I have created a script tag and used a function, JavaScript function, and this shows the alert. And I have used an event on load. If I refresh the page, this alert shows.
This is a normal web page. So we don't need any much complex scenarios in JavaScript. So we will learn. Okay. So no problem in that.
Okay.
I used the same function in the web resource.
So Tamil is showing how your normal web page looks like and how your CRM page looks like when we are embed some JavaScript. Okay. This you are only.
I have to implement the same alert in the CRM page. Okay. So this is the web resource I have added, and I use it on the account form.
Just see the demo. Okay. What Tamil shows. We will start JavaScript tomorrow, so no problem in that. So you can imagine how your web page look like and how your CRM web page look like. For this only Tamil showing demo. Okay.
Okay, sir. So in the account form, there's a in all the forms, form builder page, there is a button called form properties. That two of the things you have to note: form library, event handler, and the function. You have to add the function here. So you have to add the library. It's for that library. Add it, and there are two event handlers here: on load and on save. So I give it as on load and use the function. Use the same function name. And then click OK. Save and publish. Alert in the CRM page on site as like the normal web page. The same alert I have implemented in the CRM page. Have you guys understood that? Oh yes, Tamil.
So you now know how your normal web page runs and how your CRM web page runs. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So in evaluation session, just prepare for those things. You have to tell some use cases for append and append to and assign and share. Okay. So just explore it and you have to tell some scenarios or some use cases for those things.
We have to prepare it in our document or else.
So you can prepare it
Yes.
in document also. So this is it is an important concept in CRM.
Okay.
So
Okay, sir.
prepare for append to, assign, share.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
You have to tell some use cases. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.